Jā, viss kārtībā, jā, tieši tā. Jā, šodien pamodāmies ārā, saulīt spīd, jauna diena, jauna spēka, enerģija. Bija tikko sapulcīt, uztaisījām mazo, tagad paslidosim pusstundiņu, pastīsimies, kādu taktisku spēlēsim pret Norvēģiem. Un tad jau jāatpūšās un jābrauc uz spēli būs vakarā, tā kā neko, kā teica, jauna diena. Šodien mēs visi slidosim, visi saspēlēsimies atkal. Visi kopā kā viena ģimene, tā kā būs forši.
Chico, did you say Monday there's going to be people in the building?
No.
The first.
First, Tuesday.
2,500. Yeah, like 2006 here, like, oh my God. What's going on? That was my first game. It was against Canada. We lost 11-0. You should have seen Crosby and Shanahan were lineys. They were staying on the red line. It was crazy. Sprooks had to go out, calm down fans twice. So like they took the teams to the dressing room, like because like they started throwing like shit on ice. Remember those times where the horns were allowed?
Yeah.
Every single fan had a horn. So it was like 105 decibels. It was like the loudest hockey game in the world. And so they started throwing all that shit out. And they took us down like for 30 minutes. We were sitting in the dressing room, like, and then Sprooksy had to go where the referees are and like go on a microphone and ask people like to calm down. We came out, played 4 minutes. Again, they started throwing shit.
There's the YouTube stuff we were talking about too. Gatavojumi. Nu tas bija 2 metri.
Arī ir labāk. Pats redzēju. Gribējās uzvarēt. Laikam bišķi gribēšana pa daudz reizi.
Gāja kā gāja. Sāpīgs zaudējums savā ziņā. Sliktā ziņa, ka zaudējām, bet labā ziņa, ka mums ir vēl 2 spēles. Mums jāuzvar. Un tad sāpnes pa 4. finālu būs vēl vaļā. Patīkam pēc spēlēm, ka fani mūs sagaida atbalstu un paceļ mūsu morāls bišķiņi. Nevienam nepatīk zaudēt un tomēr sāpīgi šodien bija, ka zaudējām. Tad paldies faniem, kuri atbalsta un seko līdzi un turpinās atbalstīt.